Welcome, today we're running me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration, then tap to volume section, and just to unmute ringtone you should hold and swipe to the right side this dot. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first we'll be sure that this use volume keys for media switcher is turned off, and now just by press power up button on the right side of your power volume up button here. Where is it? Okay, so let's use it by this way. So now just let's press up the volume button, and by this way we can also unmute our device ringtone, and we can press up or down volume button, then just manually make it, just swipe to the up or just to click on these three dots and also swipe to the up this volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.